Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Neeraj Kumar Sethia, Head Center of Innovation, Incubation, Entrepreneurship and Startup, DIT University, Dehradun. I welcome you all to the session on building an innovation product fit for market by Institution Innovation Council of DIT University.
Today we have Mr. Nitin Moria. He is well-known scientist, so he will be talking about this topic. But before him, I thought let me share my views about the research innovation. We do a lot of research, and a lot of research happen in India, but the most of the time we are doing the research for getting better jobs in higher university or good university. We do respect all my professors available. That's focus is. But if we want to be a आत्मनिर्भर भारत, we want अगर हमें अपने आप पे डिपेंड होना है और हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी ने जो ये उनका जो सोच है, तो हमें दूसरी तरीके से सोचना पड़ेगा. एंड रिसर्च शुड लीड टू इनोवेशन एंड टेकिंग फर्दर टू मार्केट नीड. तो हम जो भी रिसर्च करें उसको हम इनोवेशन में कन्वर्ट करें जो कि हमारी मार्केट की नीड, कस्टमर्स की नीड को फुलफिल करें.
Here I have been taken enterprise towards the last, but there is no hard and fast rule. There are people who can set up an enterprise startup and then work on their idea. There are people who have worked on their idea and then once their product is ready, they have set up an enterprise. So it can be either ways. There is no fixed rule regarding that. Now, once we have that idea, we can have that particular idea या जो trigger होता है वो कई तरह से हो सकता है. Sometimes it may be a problem faced by a person or someone in the family. कभी कभी क्या होता है, there are people who are inherently creative. They keep on coming up with new ideas. Elon Musk, okay, he keeps on coming up with different ideas and then he invests in them. Then there are certain ideas that get triggered through ongoing research. तो अगर कहीं कोई research हो रही है in academics or in research institutions, so the research output may trigger the need of a product. Sometimes the stimulus is external. For example, in the pandemic time, there were a lot of people who saw the problems about the lack of oxygen concentrators and ventilators and other things. So many innovators of their own thinking, they started working on these problems. So the problem was not faced by them, but then they started doing it because somebody else was facing the problem. Required number of people, तो उससे क्या होगा कि जो overhead होते हैं किसी भी entity में वो कम रहते हैं. And once you are ready, then you can gradually expand your team so that you are able to undertake the various different kinds of activities for business development of your product. So IPR, intellectual property, you would all know क्या होती है, but still मैं short में बता देता हूँ. जैसे कि for your vehicle, 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler, you have a RC registration which is there in your name, which shows that this vehicle belongs to you. Same is with the registration documents of your house. If it is in your name, that means this particular house is yours and nobody else can come and stake a claim on it. So that is what intellectual property is. Any idea or a product or anything which has been generated out of your own mind or maybe 2-3 people, that constitutes an intellectual property, and you have to file an application with the government, and then after due verification and the due process, they give you a certificate certifying that so and so product is developed by the concerned persons. Okay. Now Andrew Chen again from the Silicon Valley. So this is the graph that he has mentioned. I have taken from his website, that if you are not able to attain the product market fit, the traction for your product is very low. As you can see on the left side, the sales and other things, they are very low. And once you are able to achieve the product market fit, then the traction is more and it triggers organic and other kind of growth for your product and in turn for your company. Now what is product market fit, how do we achieve, then how do we measure. So while measuring, there are both quantitative and qualitative. So for example, you have spent 2 years in the market with your product, you can calculate your growth rate, which gives you a real time figure, which gives you an estimate. So when did you start, what happened in the middle, and then where are you today? So the growth rate, market share. So how much market is your product getting in the entire serviceable area, as we mentioned earlier. So you can calculate your market share, and then you can ascertain your market fit and the retention of customers. So unless you are able to retain customers, repeat customers, it becomes very difficult to sustain. So in some cases, it also depends upon product to different kinds of product to product. Say suppose somebody has bought a car of Maruti, so next car probably he is going to buy only in say 10 years time or maybe 5 years time. So it is not that he is going to purchase a Maruti car every year. So it depends upon the retention, depends also upon the kind of technology, right? And then there is something called as Net Promoter Score, which you must have seen in many apps that you use, maybe Make My Trip, Swiggy, and Ola, Uber. So what is generally Net Promoter Score? It is nothing but then there is a 1 to 10 kind of rating. So when you rate a particular service, product, or a company, the first 1 to 6, if they are giving numbers on the scale of 1 to 10, so they are called as detractors. People who do not like your product, process, or company. People who are neutral, 7 and 8 points, and then people who are promoters, 9 and 10. So generally people who give 9 and 10 numbers, so it means that they are promoting your particular product, process, or your company. So what is done in this particular example, you see there are about 4, 7, 8, 1000 sample size, 1000 plus sample size, of which the promoters are 47%, the detractors are 15%, and the passive are 38%. Thank you so much. I also like to thank CIS, DIT, Neeraj and Dr. Agarwal for this opportunity, and I hope maybe once the situation is better, we may have some interaction physically also. Thank you so much.